In the tranquil dawn, as the sun ascends the sky, whispers of love from feathered hearts arise. A symphony of notes, enchanting and sweet, as lovebirds unite, their melodies complete. In the tranquil dawn, as the sun ascends the sky, whispers of love from feathered hearts arise. A symphony of notes, enchanting and sweet, as lovebirds unite, their melodies complete. Their voices intertwine in a melodious embrace, a duet of affection, transcending time and space. Each note a declaration of love's purest form, resonating through the air, in nature's perfect norm. Their serenade of love echoes far and wide, a testament to devotion, with nothing to hide. They sing of passion, of lifelong devotion, a love that knows no bounds, with unwavering emotion. Oh, how their song enchants the hearts of all, filling the air with a tender, captivating call. Their harmonies, a reminder of love's sweet refrain, a melody that lingers, forever to remain. So let us listen to the song of lovebirds' flight, as they soar together, in purest delight. May their serenade inspire our own hearts to sing, and let love's melody forever take wing.